Hello today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this HP OfficeJet Pro 1912E. This is an all-in-one printer. And in the box are included 6 trial month instant ink with HP Plus. Because this printer here is a special device that where you can subscribe an instant ink. Easy peasy. That means you will automatically get a delivery of your ink if this cartridge system will be empty automatically. Of course, this is a subscription. That means you have to pay for it. This printer is intended to work only with cartridges that have a new or reused HP electronic circuitry, and it uses dynamic security measurements to block cartridges using modified or non-HP circuitry. Periodic firmware updates will maintain the effectivity of these measures and block cartridges that previously worked. Reused HP electronic circuit enables the use of reused, manufactured and refilled cartridges. This is not so a good term, I think, because this allows you not to use cartridge systems you like, or they're cheaper than they from HP. So you have to use the cartridge from HP itself, because there is a security information on the chip, and this will get this will share the information each other, and that is only possible with the original printer cartridge system. On this printer here, it's an all-in-one device. We can print, we can copy, we can scan, and we can fax. In color, dynamic security enabled printer. The print speed is up to 22 ppm in black and 18 ppm in color. HP Plus and HP Instant Ink eligible. Automatic document feeder. Two-sided printing is possible. For teams up to 5 users, this prints up to 1,500 pages per month. What is HP Plus, maybe you ask? HP Plus is an integrated printing system. More secure, more productive, and more sustainable than ever. Requires an internet connection and only works with original HP ink or toner cartridges. That means smart printing on a smart printer. It keeps itself up to date, secure, and ready to print for virtually anywhere at any time. And smart ink or toner subscription as we like. The option to subscribe and save up to 70% on original HP ink or up to 50% on original HP toner. Delivered when we are running low. 6 months of instant ink included with the H++. After 6 months, monthly fee applies, unless cancelled, of course. And we have here the productivity in our pocket. We get our scanning and sanding done more smoothly with free advanced HP Smart app, which is included. And smart sustainability. HP Plus puts our planet first with net zero deforestation. It prints and closed loop cartridge recycling. Smart printer it is, without HP Plus benefits. With HP Plus we have an intelligent, cloud-based connectivity and security printer. Without HP, smart ink or toner subscription are possible. With HP Plus, 6 months of instant ink included. After 6 months, monthly fee applies unless cancelled. Without HP Plus, we have the HP Smart app, of course. We can use that. But with HP Plus, advanced HP Smart app solutions. Without HP Plus, smart sustainability. With H Plus, forest first printing, cartridge recycling with instant ink are possible. And of course, without H Plus, we have a warranty. In Germany, 2 years. In the States, it is often 1 year. If you have H Plus description, additional year of HP warranty, and without HP requirements. With HP Plus requires original IP ink or toner, HP account, and internet connection. So you can see it gives you a little bit not so the independent, of course, but you have a subscription, so you does not have to look for everything, because they do that via the internet connection, and they delivers you the cartridge you need. The only thing is you have to install them, job's done, and you can continue printing. Print, copy, scan, fax in color. Up to 1,500 pages volume monthly. A lot of operation systems are supported. Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Sierra, El Capitan, macOS, High Sierra, macOS, Chrome OS. Everything is compatible, no problem for it. The Windows XP and Windows Vista are not supported anymore. The processor speed is 1.2 gigahertz. The memory is 512 megabyte. The maximum memory is, of course, because you cannot gain it, 512 megabyte. The display specification, because on this printer there's a display, 6.86 centimeter. These are 2.7 inches. Capacitive touchscreen, RCGD. And we have mobile printing compatibilities with Chrome OS, HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, Wi-Fi Direct Printing, MOPRINT certified, so you can use it remote with nearly every device out there. The wireless compatibility is Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN. Network capability, of course, yes, we are built-in Ethernet wireless, or built-in Ethernet wireless 802.11 ABGN. We have connectivity possibilities with USB 2.0, enhanced USB, Ethernet, wireless, of course, and RG11 modem ports. Network protocols are 9100 LPR, SMP, and SLP Internet Printer Protocol and WS Print Wireless supported. We have plug and play, outer wireless connection, jobs done. Multimedia and input devices, no prob. Camera phone supported, of course. Camera phone description, direct photo printing from the camera phones with HP Smart App, AirPrint, or Wireless Direct. You can make a fax features, color fax, auto reduction, no answer radial, speed dial, group speed dial, and so on. It weighs around about 9 kilogram, and the dimensions are 439.3 to 342.5 to 278 millimeter. The input voltage is from 100 up to 240, VAC 50 and 60 Hz. That means you can plug it in all the entire world. The power consumption is up to 30 watts in printing, 5.8 watts in ready status, 1.2 watt in sleep, and in 0.08 watts in manually switched off. So you can see between the different options of the switching off is an power consumption, which the best is with manually off the device. But do not unplug it, only switch it off manually. That's enough for an 0.08 watts consumption anymore. This printer here is good for a small office or at home. It prints you a lot of stuff. It prints you in color. It can make faxes. It can scan you via the app or via a computer connection and so on. The paper, which we have duplex. Duplex is on board. The maximum input capacity in photo is 50 sheets. In standard cards, 50 sheets, for example. Labels, 50 sheets. 10 to 15 centimeters, 50 sheets. The even loops are 30 sheets, possible up to 30 sheets. We have here capacity in ladle, 250 sheets. So you can see it's enough space for a small office there to use them. Media size supported are A1, A4, A5, A6, A1 is not supported, B5, this is the card, photo, envelope, and so on. And the standard media size in duplex is A4 and B5. And you can easily make a copy and make a printing job with this printer at home or in small offices, as I told you before. This here is easy because we have to plug it into a computer system, or we use our HP app to pair these devices each other easily by using the Wi-Fi network, because it's a Wi-Fi printer, of course. So we have to enter the Wi-Fi network connection into the menu of this HP OfficeJet, and after that we have to get in the cartridge system, and then we are nearly ready to print, and it will be continue with printing by AirPrint and other compatibility things what we can use a printer, an up-to-date printer like here. The only bad thing is because we have to use the original ink. This is not a good step by HP, but it is focused on people who like to go the standard way with that. This is the HP OfficeJet Pro 1912E. This is an all-in-one printer with, if you like, a 6 month of instant ink with HP Plus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.